To assign tasks to specific projects, start by opening your web browser and navigating to the website. Once there, you will see various options, including Add Tasks, Search, Inbox, Today, Upcoming, Filters, Labels, Quick Start Templates, and more. To add tasks to a project, you first need to create a project. After creating a project, it will appear on the page, allowing you to share it with others and add tasks. To add a task, simply input the task name, description, due date, assign team members, and set the priority. You can also take additional actions before clicking the Add Task button. The newly added task will then appear in your Projects section. This process allows you to efficiently organize and manage your tasks within specific projects.